In this video, we will learn about how to add a password change option in a form. At first, go to User Meta. Then Form option. Then, click Add New button. Naming the form as a password change. After that, I am taking a password field from default fields. In bottom, there are some options that you need to know. We have a video on how to create strong password field. The link will be given in the description. As I want to make a form to change my password, checking the current password is required option. That means, whenever user want to change a password, they have to fill the current password field. After validating the current password, it will be changed. After the configuration, let's try to test the form. In the website, you can see, you have to give current password to replace the new password. Then click Update. This way, you can easily update your password field with User Meta Pro. Hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.